Hello and welcome to another short video from PowerTech discussing the subject of Rogowski coils. In this particular episode, we are talking about the dynamic range. In other words, that's its measuring range in terms of its amps, not the frequency, but the amps. This coil you see in the picture is rated 10,000 amps, but it will measure 1 amp at 0.25%. And the answer is, how can we do this? Well, in this particular instance, we selected a core with a very, very fine and accurate distribution of the turns on the Rogowski coil. So that means that you have a uniform sensing of the field. This is a crucial part of doing this. Also bear in mind that a Rogowski coil, by definition, is a device that senses electric field and rate of change. It does not need magnetizing current like a conventional silicon steel current transformer. And that has several advantages, because with a regular current transformer you need magnetizing current to basically drive the flux back and forth within the core, and clearly that is a source of error right there. Whereas the Rogowski coil does not need magnetizing current to operate. It's sensing electric fields, and then it produces quite a low voltage, which is basically integrated and amplified and eventually converted to 0 to 5 amps using our CTA3PH device. Now, what we can do to test this is use the fixture that we have in our test fixture and our calibration station in the development lab. What you see there, the black box, is a 25 current turn or a 25 turn current test coil. So if you put in 1 amp, it's generating 25 amps essentially. With this particular rig, we can go up to 2,500 and we can go down to fractions of an amp. Now, one consideration with this particular device is things like the positional sensitivity. It's geometrically calibrated, so regardless of the position of that coil, and this particular family of Rogowski coils, they have excellent positional sensitivity and accuracy. So the bottom line is, we're always comparing these to international standards. We have a calibrated source there. It's the device on the top, the device on the bottom. The larger one is a 100 amp source that's regularly sent away to an accredited calibration lab to have certification to ensure that it's operating to spec. And I will say that all this equipment that we're using is many, many more times accurate than it need be for the application that we are actually testing. So once again, that is the PowerTech CTA3PH, just really an explanation on how it can be accurate over such a wide dynamic range. So I hope that's helpful. There will be more in the series of videos, and also we have several videos with application knowledge that help just to head off any of the difficulties you can encounter when doing a retrospective metering application. Once again, my name is Derek Luce of PowerTech. Feel free to email anytime to info@powertechus.com, and then we can help you with your inquiry. Thank you.